Second throw, good. Tara, si Isaiah. Pinipressure ni Mayari. Back to Isaiah. Cut sa gitna. Napakagandang pasa. 2 points for Dark. What a play, ha? Ganda nun. Francis Tuwaki. China Boys. Uy, grabe naman yun. May potential yun, ha? Russell, nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa kay Isaiah. Naitawid. Op, line ball. Mayari, di diretso. What a pass! 2 points for White. Isaiah. Magbababa ng bola. Nailusot. Atake sa loob. Op! Dark. Binigay kay Russell. Swing the ball to Isaiah. Short corner. Attacks. Wala. Here comes Waki. Waki, pinasa sa point guard. Uy, good pass na naman sa ilalim. Agawan sa bola. Rebound ng Dark. Tumatakbo si number 9. Ooh, sayang. Ganda ng move. What? Ito na, Ezekiel Mayari. Tuwaki. Uy, gumaya ng move. 2 points. Here's Russell. Russell all the way. Traveling. Corner pass to AJ. Wala. Nagpapainit pa si AJ. Ayan na. Pinipressure na. Mayari. Tapi ka ng bola. Saan dito mapupunta? Uy, sumablay. Na-rebound ni Wakimoy. 2 points for Waki. Ezekiel Mayari. What a pass inside. Nagawan sa bola. Jump ball. Here comes Dark. Martinez. Pass to Russell. Swings the ball to Isaiah for 3. 3! Isaiah Bordo. Uy, babawi. Waki for 3. Pinawi agad yung 3 points. Uy, depensa. Foul. Basket. Bonus free throw. Rebound White. Pag dead ball, baser ka. Uy! Connection! Basket! 2 points for AJ. Sige, free throw muna tayo. Free throw muna tayo. Free throw. Bonus throw. Bonus throw. Mamaya na tayo mag-sub, ha? Mamaya na. Bonus throw muna. Pag pumasok tayo, pag pumasok yung free throw, tsaka tayo mag-sub. Jump ball. Okay. 2 points for Dark. Kaya ang White, pinipressure ni Russell. Nakagaw ni Jan. Pasa kay Russell. All the way, 2 points for Russell. Ito na, si Pastriel. 2 points for White. Ito na, si Russell. Nagdadala ng bola for Dark Team. Russell wants to go all the way. Ma-rebound ni Chris Paul. Pasa kay Jan. Thinking 3. What a pass inside to Russell. Nako, sayang. Offensive rebound.
Ay, nako.
Russell kicks out kay Chris Paul. Kay Russell Westbrook. 3.
Idol.
Here comes White. Attacks inside. Pastor for 2. Out of bounds. Here comes, eto na si Russell. Russell making his move.
Uli.
Here comes White.
Ay, wait pa tayo.
2 points. Wala. Magagawan sa bola. Tabikan. Nakuha pa rin ni Pastor. Line ball. Chris Paul. Umatake. Pasa kay Russell Westbrook. Russell. 2. Wala. Nakuha ng White. Nagawan sa bola. 2 points for White. Chris Paul na depensahan doon. Here comes White. Sila pa rin. And there's a foul. Waki. Uy, lakas naman nun. AJ! Malamig pa si AJ. Isaiah swings the ball to John. Martinez. Nope. Blocking foul on Isaiah Abordo. Uy, nice pass. Sayang. Dark ball. Here comes Martinez. Pinipressure ni Mayari. 2 points for Martinez. Mayari 3. Martinez.
Oh, akin ako. Akin.
Dark ball.
Push mo. Sige, pa!
Traveling. Corner 3. Wala pa. Hindi pa nabubutas. John Amores. Waki for 3. score. Ganda laban natin ngayon, madikit ah. Ito na, si Jana Morris nag-amak. Op! Foul sa ilalim. Foul away from the ball. Oy, offensive foul. Ang tinawag, white ball. Two points. Waki. Dark ball. Yup, there's a foul. Last throw. Is short. Ito na White. He goes all the way and there's a foul. Foul on number 9. Down. Baseline, sideline inbound tayo. Sideline inbound. Mayari, what a pass! Sayang. Nagawan sa bola. Nakagawa ng wipe. Traveling. Here comes John. Isaiah floater. Rebound ni Martinez. 2 points. All 31 ang ating score. Parang mga leyon to. Nagka-atakihan ng dalawa. Swing the ball to AJ. Nagaw. Martinez. 2 points. So, si Mayari. Milwaukee. Making his move. 3. Sobra. Ito na si Sanchez. Uy! Sablay. Nagawan sa bola. Number 9. Wala pa rin. Grabe hassle. Nakuha ni Martinez. Dinribulan. What a move. And there's a Isaiah for 2. Wala. Rebound ni Mayari. Waki. 2 points. Foul. Foul, Waki. Kapikan sa bola. Nakuha ng White. Mayari. To Waki. Bars. Here comes Dark. Number 55, uy! Same ball. Isaiah. 5 seconds to shoot. Isaiah for 2. Here comes White. Waki. Uy, what a fake. Nakuha ulit ng Dark. Nakuha naman ng White. What a pass. 2 points for Waki. Bad pass. Agaw ni Kiel. Ezekiel Jairus Mayari, iba na. Point guard na, pass first na oh. Turi! Wala. Here comes Isaiah. To Martinez for 3. Wala. Here comes White. 8 minutes, 5 seconds. Pass the ball inside. Number 30, 2 points. Ito na si Martinez. Dire-diretso. Walang depensa yung White. 2 points for Martinez. Kiel passes the ball. Seeks the ball again. Uy, 2 points for Waki. Bad pass. 2 points. White.
Kung pwede mo subscribe pagkatapos ng split quarter.
Hindi. Kailangan 5-5 talaga. White ball. Ezekiel Mayari swings the ball to Waki. Foul. First free throw. Uy, ang ganda. Short. Last throw. Sakto, nasa video. Dalawang airball. Here comes Dark. Isaiah. Wala. Mayari with the ball. Fast break. Wala pa rin. Foul. Isaiah. To number 8. Rebound, number 55. Tumulas. Waki na naman. Fast break. Wala na, malamig na. Si Martinez. All the way, 2 points. Mayari making his move. He goes all the way. Rebound by AJ. Martinez. AJ, wala. White pa rin yung bola. Wala pa rin. AJ pa rin. 2 points, wala pa rin. Waki naman, susubok. Pasok na, 2 points. Mayari for 3. Wala. Here comes Dark. White, agawan sa bola. Out of bounds. Open for 3. Bang! 3 points. Here comes Russell. Pressured by White team. White team nagpe-pressure na rin.
Uli!
Russell all the way. 2 points for Russell.
Bigay.
Ay, sorry. Uy, sayang yung pasa. Fast break. Ito na, NBA play. Chris Paul to Russell. 2 points. Wait lang. Here comes Pastor for 2. Wala. He gets the ball back. Wala pa rin. Fast break ulit. Tingnan natin kung papasok na yung layup. Ayun, 2 points. Here comes Russell. Screen by Jan. 8 seconds. Agaw ng White. Nagaw na rin. Up! Agawan sa bola. 2 points wala. Rebound ni Jan. Two minutes, 10 seconds. Jan. Pass in inside. 2 points. Wala. Here comes White. Pastor with the ball. Kinross ang meron si Russell.
Tira.
For 2. Russell, pass break. Uy!
Nice. Ayun na, diretso.
Dominic Wilkins. Here comes Pastor. Wala. Tapikan sa bola. For 2 points. Wala pa rin. Tara si Russell ulit.
Usap kayo sa court.
Uy, pass and go. And there's a foul. Foul on number 30. 2 free throws. Here comes Jan. Jamorant. Pass. Swings the ball around. Chris Paul. Take it. Take the shot. 23 seconds. Here comes White team. Up. There's a foul. Pass to Pastor. Pastor making his move. Pastor all the way. Rebound. Sanchez. Tapikan. White again. Wala pa rin. Ito na si Sanchez. Uy, lumipad. Sumablay. Tumira ng 3. Malamig talaga si AJ. Uy! So, Waki. Wala, Mike. Mike's. Here comes Russell. Russell swings the ball for 3. Wala. Rebound ng White. Waki. Waki pa rin. Oy daw. Oy ka rin. Isaiah. Pressured. To Isaiah. Inside. Naagaw. Oop. Blocking foul. Mayari. Thinking about it. I know you're thinking about it. For 3. 3. Here comes Dark. Pressured by White team. Uy, what a pass to Russell. 2 points for Russell. Ito na ulit si Ezekiel. Thinking about it again. Short. Uy, pasa ba yun? 2 points. Saya. Martinez to Isaiah, open 2. Sayang, in and out. Uy, grabe yung depensa ni Chris Paul. Here comes Russell. Russell with his move. Kicks out to Isaiah for 3. Rebound White. Yun lang. Turnover. Oh, there's a foul. Here comes Stark for 3. Tapikan. Nakuha ni Waki. Binigay kay Kiel. Wala. Nakuha ni AJ. AJ! My goodness! Whoop. Turnover. Fast break. Basket counts. 2 points. Martinez to Isaiah. Naagaw ni AJ. Bumabawi sa depensa si AJ. Hoy! Bumabawi sa depensa si AJ. Grabe yan. Nice D. White ball. White ball. Here comes Mayari. Pressured by Chris Paul. Iniskrin na ni AJ. Nakawala. The pass inside. Good pass. 2 points. 6 minutes, 35. Martinez. Mayari, lumusot. Pass inside. AJ. AJ attacks. Mayari. 3. Chris Paul. Pass to Isaiah for 2. Basket. Second row. Wala. Rebound Dark. Rebound White. Here we go. Pastor for 2. 2 points for Pastor. Sanchez.
Sana, depensa na. Pressure!
Pass inside. Pass back. 2 points. Wala. Wala pa rin. Here comes White team. Whoop. Traveling. Chris Paul taking his time. Tumitingin sa mga kakampi. Swings the ball to Russell. Russell making his move for 3. Bang! 3 points for Russell. Here comes White team. What a pass inside! 2 points for White team. Eto na si Russell. Russell looking at his teammates. Swings the ball to Chris Paul. Inside pass. Wala. Rebound White.